Hey, what's happening YouTube? Today I'm going to be fully loading Jailbreaking the Firestick with the best apps for movies, TV shows, and sports. I have some videos as well that are older. Always look for my newest videos. This is a new refresh, new store, new updates, totally awesome and totally new. Okay? So, before we start, make sure you're logged into your Firestick with your Amazon account, connected to Wi-Fi obviously, and then I'll guide you through all the steps that you need to do to get your Firestick fully loaded for all movies, TV shows, pay-per-views, and all that, okay? The first thing you want to do is you want to go right off the bat into the gear icon here, okay? And then you want to go into My Fire TV or My Device, okay? Click into there, and you should have developer options. If you don't have developer options, very simple fix. Click on the About, and once there, click on the actual Firestick name or whatever it is several times. So I'm going to click 8 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it says you're already a developer. Also, very important, if you have any updates, please install the updates, okay? So if you have any updates, please do install the updates to update your Firestick device. Okay? Once it finishes the updates, then you can proceed and then you can fully load it and fully jailbreak it. This is the first important step that you must do for you able to install the store, install the Firestick and fully load it with the best applications, okay? So I'm going to wrap up this quick little update here. I'm going to make sure I have developer options on as I showed you in the video, okay? Now our update finished. I'm on the newest version and that's fine. Go back here, Fire TV Stick, 4K Max, click on it 8 to 10 times like I said. See, I'm already a developer, and then you will get the developer options. Very important, update your Firestick, turn on developer options. The first thing we need to do. Okay, once you're done that, hit the home button, and from here it's going to be a breeze. You're going to go to the search, find. You can use the Alexa remote, or you can search for it. Search for an application called Downloader. Downloader. Here I am, I'm going to search for it, and here it is. Downloader, okay? Click on that and click on download, okay? It's going to queue it and it's going to install the downloader application. With the downloader application, we're going to be able to get the unlinked application. I'm going to give you my store code, which you'll be able to load all the apps you ever wanted. Always updated, always fresh. I've just revamped the store, always up to date, okay? If you're using any other store before, that store might still be updated, but you want to stick with the unlinked store for now, okay? Press the open button once you're done that, and press the allow button, and press the OK button, okay? Here we are, downloader is fully installed. Now, let's click home button before we do anything else, and go to the find button and search right here in the box for IPVanish VPN. Now, the reason I recommend using a VPN like IPVanish, can search for here, IPVanish, just like that, search for it, an icon will come up like this. Click on that icon, and you're going to download and install the IPVanish VPN. Now, let me talk about the IPVanish VPN. Some internet service providers have been blocking the store access or going to the website to get the unlinked application. Therefore, I'm using a VPN to unblock that service, and also to get more links and more content in some of our applications. They just work better with a VPN. Highly recommend using a VPN. You stay fully anonymous, fully protected, okay? So once this is done, I'm gonna log into my own account and I'll show you quickly how to set it up. To get your own account, simply pause the video if you need to, scan this barcode here or go to this link here somewhere on the screen. Also in the pinned comment description, the link is there. Click on that link, sign up for your account. It's a cup of coffee a month. It's very cheap right now. There's sales all the time going in. You're going to get a special offer through my affiliate link. You got the cheapest price that you can get for IPVanish, okay? This is going to enable you fully protected, fully safe, get all the apps, get all the updates from the store, and also be able to load your Firestick at any given time and update the apps from my store, okay? So once you're done getting the IPVanish VPN, you can pause the video, sign up with this barcode here. You can scan it or you can go to the bit.ly link here or in the pinned comment or description. Sign up for an account. Once you're done that, you get an email confirmation. Confirm your account and you'll be ready to log in. I'm going to log into mine and I'm going to show you how to use it. So you can pause the video and I'm going to set it quickly up and then we're going to get the unlinked application, okay? So let me log into mine here. I'm going to click open once you have IPVanish and it's going to ask you for your email and password. So right here, the barcode and the bit.ly link, and in the pinned comment description, click on that link for the best price, a cup of coffee per month. It's going to keep you protected, safe, and it's going to give you access to all the updated applications in the Unlinked store, okay? So let me log in here, and you would take the same process, and I'll show you quickly how to get this going before we get the Unlinked application, okay? Once you log in for the first time, you're going to go here to the gear icon, okay? And you're going to say connect on Android Startup. You're going to flick it on. You're going to hit one back, and you're going to go to the location here with your D-pad. And you're going to choose the US server. That's going to give you the most content and the most protection. So United States, click on it. Favor United States, I'm going to favor it. Then I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to say connect to United States. Okay? So what the VPN is going to do now in the background, and it's going to pop up soon, it's going to keep me safe and protected. It's going to connect to a United States server. If a screen pops up like this, press the OK button, and that's going to start establishing a connection here for you, and it's going to become green. Now we're fully protected, and we are connected to a VPN somewhere here in the southern US, okay? And our IP address has changed. Once you've done that, hit the home button, okay? And we're going to go back to our downloader application. So we're going to click these three squares plus. Here we got the IPVanish running, and we got the downloader, okay? So that's available. The information is here for the IPVanish VPN, also pinned comment description. Let's open up downloader and click up here, go into this little yellow URL bar, and simply just put in this unlinked .link. Okay, once you put in unlinked.link, all you're going to do is you're going to press the go button here. Okay, let's press the go button. Now it's going to go to the Unlinked website. Now it's going to connect. You can see I have the VPN on. We're connected here, and I can move the cursor around on the Unlinked website, okay? Once the website loads, the bar will go here all the way, and I'll be able to scroll through the website, and I'm going to be able to go down until we see this little button here. Click on Download APK Android, and wait 1 minute, and it's going to pop up, and it's going to push the Unlinked application to us, okay? It's going to say connecting, and then it's going to start downloading the Unlinked application. Here we are. Give it a second. 3.9 megabytes, and then just simply it's going to ask us to install it. But before installing it, it's going to ask us to go into developer options, and we have to enable installation. I'll show you this exactly right now. Okay, this will pop up. You hit settings, and remember we turned on developer options. It throws us right in there. Install unknown apps, see downloader. You're going to press the on button, and you're going to click two back, 1, 2, on your Fire Stick remote. Now press the install button again here on that screen. Now press the install again. And now we've successfully installed our Unlinked application, okay? We're going to pop it right open. I'm going to show you how to install apps, okay? When you pop this open, you'll get a screen like this, okay? Press the new library, and you're going to get a blinking cursor here. Click into it and put in the code. The following codes for my subscribers, for my fans, for everybody that uses my store. Very simple. You're just going to put in Firestick. That's all. Store has been updated. Newest updates. This is the reason I'm making another video. Rolled out all the newest updates, and I want you guys and girls to see these updates and get the newest stuff, okay? So Firestick, just like that. Press the next button. It's going to go like this, and you're going to get a pop-up message. Don't click anything yet. Very important. Read the pop-up message. It's going to tell you what's the best, what's hot. Very vital information in the welcome message, okay? Then you'll press enter once you read the welcome message. But I encourage you to read the welcome message. It's going to tell you what is the best right now and what is hot. This is the reason I do all these videos all the time. I tell you what's hot, and then you can go from there. Simple as that, okay? Press the enter button once you read the welcome message. So here I am in my store. You can click up and down to go. All the categories are there. Movies, TV shows, sports, live television. All the categories are there. Just move up and down. For my presentation purposes, I'm going to show you how to install VirusTotal today. But this, you would install any other application just like that. So I would click on the actual application. I'm clicking on VirusTotal. You would press the download button, and you would get an error. Okay? When it tries to install, you'll see it'll download, and it'll give you an error, which is fine. because now when we click install app, this area will come up. Okay, no problem. We're going to click the OK button, and we're back to developer options like I told you at the beginning. Install unknown apps, and make sure unlinked, you turn that one on now. When you turn it on, one back, and it tries to install the VirusTotal application. Now press the install button and press the done button. You only have to do this once. Once you turn it on in developer options, you'll never have to do it again. I'll show you another one. MX Player, we're going to get here. Press the download button. See how the app is already installed? It's going to download, and we're going to install it in the same way, but now developer options is turned on. Now, if you scroll up and down, you'll see all my applications. Enjoy, have fun with it. I have tons of applications. Make sure you do use a VPN and stay protected. I'll throw that barcode up here again, and the link, the bit.ly link, in the pinned comment description. If you need to pause the video, set up the VPN, stay protected, use all these apps for movies, TV shows, and live television, pay-per-views, events, whatever. All these apps in my store are there. Up and down is going to get you into different categories, and you'll be able to put that on your Fire Stick. Now you fully utilize your Fire Stick in that way. Okay, install app, same process. I press the install now, and boom, it's installed. 5 clicks or 3 clicks, and boom, one app is already installed. You can get all the updated apps, all the newest apps directly from my store. Let's hit the home button now. You know how to use the Unlink application, and you can see that throughout this whole process, I did have my VPN on. Barcode is here again. Pin comment and description. The link is there for the best discount. Make sure you guys protect yourself when you're using these applications from my store, okay? And also keep things anonymous. That's what it's going to do for you, okay? So I'm going to press the home button again here, go to our main Fire screen, and you'll see these 3 squares plus button. That's what's going to show up, and you can go back to the Unlinked store at any time with the code I've given you, and you can see the apps are installed here. For some reason, if these apps don't show up here in this menu, you can easily access them by going to the settings and then going to applications and manage installed applications, and you can pretty much launch these applications straight from here. See, you can just launch them from here. VirusTotal, Unlinked, you can launch them here if you don't see some applications that you've installed from my store. Okay, so make sure you stay protected, get the VPN. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to unlock some of the stuff that's being blocked. So that's available in the pinned comment description and the barcode, as I said. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Very important. Please comment below if it worked for you. If it not, also comment which kind of app is not working, which one is working, so I can update things, so I can keep it fresh, guys. I always up to date. This is why I make the videos. When I update my store, I launch another video and I let you guys know about this. Share this video to your friends, family, friends with Fire Sticks. Send it over to them, Facebook, wherever. Shares are very important to me. Likes are very important. Comment below where you're checking in from. Are you from the US? Are you from Canada? Are you from Australia? Where are you guys watching me from? Very interested to know. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Hit the subscribe, thumbs up, and see you guys later. Take care.